On a raised plinth, red sandstone and marble rise like a hymn carved in stone. For over 3 centuries, this grand mosque has watched empires come and go, and still it calls the faithful to prayer. The Badshahi Masjid was commissioned by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir in 1671 and completed in 1673. It was built opposite the great Lahore fort's Alamgiri Gate, a symbol of the harmony between power and faith. The mosque is a masterpiece of late Mughal design: red sandstone cladding with white marble inlay, 3 marble domes, and 4 tall minarets. Its vast courtyard could hold up to 100,000 worshippers. The walls bloom with floral motifs and Quranic calligraphy, timeless art carved in stone. After the fall of Mughal power, the Badshahi Masjid suffered. Under Sikh rule, it was used as a stable. Later, under the British, it became a garrison. Yet through these centuries of neglect, the mosque endured, silent but unbroken. In the 20th century, the mosque was lovingly restored. Craftsmen repaired its domes and red sandstone. Today, it stands again in full glory, preserved for generations. Today, the Badshahi Masjid is alive again. Its courtyard fills with worshippers, from dawn to dusk. The call to prayer echoes across Lahore, a melody unchanged for centuries. The Badshahi Masjid is more than stone and mortar. It's a living chronicle of faith, empire, and resilience. To walk its courtyard is to walk through history, a masterpiece of devotion that still stands proud in the heart of Lahore.